Welcome to the last lecture of the first section, introduction of Introduction to Natural Language Processing. Okay, the topic is pre-processing of raw text. We have a text corpus that is in an improper format. In this activity, we will perform all the pre-processing steps that were discussed earlier to get some meaning out of the text. Okay, first of all, these are the required libraries and the functions and algorithms, list of words which are used in this activity or exercise. These algorithms, functions, libraries we have also used in the previous lectures. Okay, first we read the our text or text file, which is this file. Our text file, read the text file. There is a problem in path. So, okay. Next, we tokenize the sentence into words. Run the cell. No, word is not defined. Word underscore tokenize. Okay. Okay. Now we check the first 20 tokens of our sentences. Okay, these are the first 20 tokens. To perform spelling correction in our given text corpus, loop through each token and correct the tokens that are wrongly spelled. And this functions the work or the task of this function only to correct the spellings of words, correct the spelling of words of misspelled word. So please read this, and if there is any problem, you can comment. You can add some comments about this. Okay. Run the function. This is our corrected corpus without any spelling mistake. These are first 20 tokens. Correct spelled. Part of speech tagging. These are the part of speech tagging. The first, this is a tuple, and the first value is word, and the second is its associated or its associated part of speech. And then remove the stop words. Okay, you can see that there is no stop word according to the stop word list, which is built in NLTK library. Apply the stemming process. You also know that what is stemming process. Stemming process is convert any words to its root or base word. Lemmatization. Lemmatization is also the same concept same concept of same concept as the stemming. So, but lemmatization process is more efficient than stemming. To detect the tense boundary in the text corpus, use the sentence underscore tokenize method. Okay. It breaks the tense from full stop punctuation or question mark punctuation. So this is actually this lecture is the recap of our all previous lecture. So therefore I have not explained much this lecture because you have already know these steps in the previous lectures. Therefore, after this, we will start a new section which is feature extractions from the text in natural language processing. So see you in the next section, and till the goodbye.